Chris Edwards with Ghost Aquatics here. About to do an unboxing from Texas Aquatics. Got a bunch of holding females. Breeding colony of melanochromis johanni. Female Nreeding. This guy and his holding female right there. Fuller born eye, she's holding. White lab male. White lab female holding. Another white lab female possibly holding. Red top hongi holding. Another red top hongi holding. Here's a red top hongi. Looks like, actually that's a fuller born eye. Here's the other red top hongi. Looks like she already spit some of her babies, make my job a little bit easier. We're going to take them and put them in this little plastic holding tank and then strip them out one at a time.